Alright, try again, my camera's glitching. Here's the big Flapicus maximus. Hello! What's all that about? Oh, Bugsy! Bugsy bird. What was all that about? That was a different one for you, Bugsy. Oh, Bugsy's gone. That was actually a thank you. Must be something going on. It's very unusual for bugs to vanish. Yeah. Banana. Yeah. Maybe there's still nestings of some sort because Bugsy's like taken off in a hurry. Faxbird. Faxbird. Faxy. Come on, Faxy. Come on, Faxy. Gonna talk? No, we're gonna eat this time. Hello. Hello, Fluffy. Are you the Flapicus maximus? Yes. Yes, you are. Fluffy. Fluffy. Or are you gonna go down there, Fluff? Fluffy. Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. There we go. You been a honk bird? You are. Good honky. Fluffy? Yes, Fluff. Come on. Whoa, come on, Fluff. Come on, Fluff. There you go. Honk. Fee? You like some more? You want a bit of, you gonna eat a banana? Banana. Hello. Flapicus maximus, enjoying some banana. Yum, says Fluff. Yum yum is Fluffy. Look at you just nibbling the edges. Aren't you a good baby? Yeah. Oh, yummy Fluffy. Yummy Fluffy. Oh, it's all gone. You want some more? Look at you fluffing up. Look at you. You want another banana? Want another banana? Yeah? Hong Kong bird doesn't eat bananas. Yeah. Good stuff, Fluff. Good stuff for the Fluff. More? More? Hey, you want some more? Burp, burp. Burp, burp. You want some more Flapicus? Another banana? Good on you, Fax bird. I think I can hear the chooky in the distance. Oh, beg your pardon? Hey. Hey. Break it up. Break it up. Hello, Hong Kong. Only having one burb up here is not like the yes. You're gonna know. Kaboom. Hello. Hey! Oh, just about to make a comment about Birbs and arrivals and departures. Oh. Excuse me down here spilling everything. Hello. Hey, spilling everything? Yes. Hey? What's happening? Thank you. Hello. Come on. Come on. That's bird. Come on. Hello. What you got to say? Eh? Hello. Honk honk. Come on, Honk. Come on, Honk. I'll give you a chance. I got Burb on arm. Taxi Bird. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Honk Honk. Racy Birb's gone. I'll have that. Thank you, Honk Honk. Go the Faxi Birbs. No, I'll have that. No, I will. Faxi Birb. Go Faxi. Faxi to the Maxi. Come on, honk. Honk, honk. Sorry, oops. I've got my arm occupied, so... Hello. Whoop. Whoop. Key Patrol. Gobble Docs. Faxi Birb. Oh, yeah. Down here. Yeah. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Come on. Yes, Faxi. What you doing, honk? Faxi Birbs. Thank you, honk. Come on. Faxi. Yeah, Faxi. Come on, honk. Down you come. It's a quiet day so far. I'm a bit later than yesterday, so I'd been maybe an hour earlier with the going into winter. I need to adjust it as like sunset minus whatever hours, other than whatever time. These are in summer in that respect. Fax, you're saying, yeah, in Hey, BC. Yes, I'm looking at you. Ooh, what's going on, honky Birbs? Hey, what? Yeah, super honk. Super honk. Well, that was a thank you. Even. Hello. Hello. You coming in? No? Oh, Bugsy. Is it? Yes, Bugsy. Bugsy. Go, Bugsy. Another one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't go, Bugsy. Don't go, Bugsy. Don't go, Bugsy. Oh. And whatever level of burbulation departure, but we've still got Fax Birb. Let me get some more Faxi. Yeah, I know Faxi. You're the only, well, only close by Birb. Oh, look at all this yummy goodness. Oh yeah, we've got a return Birbs. Oh yeah, you're stretching for it. Yeah, yeah, you want it. You really want it. Bugsy too. Bugsy Birbs. Oh, all right, bucket Birbs. You can have it for the moment. Oh, Bugsy. Oh, Bugsy. Come on, Bugsy. Fax Birb. Who else we got? Hello. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Honk honk. Come on, stretchy honk. Hey, yum yums. Yeah. Hey, Bugsy Birb. Fax Birb. Go on, Bugsy Birb. Bugsy. Oh, thank you, honk. Come on, Fax. Hello, yeah. Bugsy. Hello. Hello, honk honk. Stretch a honk. Really? You mean it? You do? Okay. Come on. Come on, Bugsy. In you get. Hey. Come on, Faxi. To the Maxi. Oh. Bugsy. We're going nuts down here. Hey. There you go. 5G antennas sticking up. Bugsy. Oh yes, ear nibbler. Oh, that's a bit rude. That's a bit rude. Yes. What? What? You coming up, are you? Yeah? You want a bit of this? Yeah?
Bugsy. Bugsy baby. Bugsy baby.
Hey, Bugsy baby. Haro Piro. Haro my Piro baby. Or you own me, actually. Ooh. Turkey Meisters.
Bugsy.
Honk honk. Honk honk. Honk honk. No? Eat eat. Not honk honk. Oh, Bugsy, you're doing well, aren't you? You are, Bugsy. You are. Rexy. Hello, Rexy. Oh, you've been pecked at again. You poor Birbie. I know. Yes, Bugs. Yes, Bugs. I know. Rexy. Excuse me, Bugs. Excuse me, Bugs. Thank you, Bugs. There we go. I'm like trying to get... Oh. Trying to let poor Rexy get some. Hey? Rexy's gone up a tree. Oh, Rexy. Look at you, poor thing. Hey? Rexy. Swap of buckets. Big alert call going out there. So we're back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like 10 turkeys so far. So what I do is swapulate the bucket. Oy, spilling everything. Not quite. Oh, stretch. Stretch and sort.